I will tell myself to start early.
Yes.
I will tell myself not to trade my time for money. I will tell myself to learn how to make your money work for you. So all these things I didn't know at the time. And now the other thing I will tell myself that not to do everything yourself. Learn to delegate early on. But the thing is, when you learn to delegate, that's the time you learn to scale.
When do you know to delegate?
I think very early on, there's no time frame to delegate as soon as you can. Delegate
Yeah.
all that repetitive tasks that takes up your time, all the non-value add tasks.
Okay.
So delegate that. Don't do it yourself. Give it to somebody else. So
Yes.
hire somebody for $500 to do it for you. So free up that time because you do not know how many ideas that you can create in that time and that you can implement and grow and scale much bigger.